The Lion, the Jackal, and the Cave. Deep in the heart of the jungle lived a mighty lion who with age had grown slow and weary. Hunting had become difficult, and he often went hungry. One day, while roaming the forest, he came across a cave.
This cave looks like the perfect place for an animal to rest,
thought the lion.
I will hide inside and wait. Sooner or later, its owner shall return, and I'll have an easy meal.
The lion squeezed into the cave and settled in a dark corner. He waited and waited. Finally, as the sun dipped low in the sky, the cave's true owner, a clever jackal, approached, humming a tune. The jackal stopped short when he noticed large paw prints in the dirt. He examined them carefully and saw that they led into the cave, but did not come out.
Something's not right. Why would footprints stop at the entrance? Could it be that an enemy is hiding for me inside?
The jackal's sharp mind hatched a plan. He stood at the mouth of the cave and called out loudly,
Hello, cave! How are you this evening?
The lion heard the jackal's voice and thought,
Aha! The owner is back. He sounds like a jackal. I would rather have a deer for dinner, but a jackal will do when I'm this hungry.
The jackal called out once again.
I'm your old friend. Why are you so silent today? Are you sulking? You usually greet me when I return. What's happened, Cave? Hello?
And the lion thought,
I suppose I should answer, or he might grow suspicious. Or even worse, never stop howling.
In his gruff voice, the lion roared.
Welcome back, dear Jackal. It is I, your old friend, the cave. I have been waiting for you.
The jackal sprang away, laughing.
The talking cave! I reckon you're no cave. You're a big, hungry lion.
The lion, realizing his mistake, sprang out of the cave. But the jackal was already far away, safe among the trees. From that day on, the jackal became even more cautious, and the hungry lion learned that it's useless to try and out-trick a master trickster. And that was The Lion, the Jackal, and the Cave, which goes to show that you should not try to out-trick a master trickster.